Энэ бичлэг бол ерөөсөө миний утасны багтаамж дүүрээд хийх юмсан бичлэг байгаа. 2023 онд шинэ жилийн үеэр яг Италийн Милан гэдэг хотод аялж исэн байгаа. 2 хоног 3 хоног тийж. Тэгээд тухайн үедээ хурж ирчээд за гоё аялын влог болгож оруулна да гэжсэн чинь here we are. Procrastinating гэж ярьдэн штэ. Ер нь бол ажлаа хойш нь тавьсаар байгаа л устгахч хэцүү, байлгаад байх ч хэцүү, утасны багтаамж дүүрээд дахиж шинээр бичлэгүүд хиймээр байгаа ч гэсэн хуучин бичлэгүүдэд дарагдаад байгаа болохоор архивнасаа зураг бичлэгүүдээ гаргаж ирж хэдүүлээ. Some kind of throwback to Thursday video. Хийцгээе. Бизнес би үсээ өөрөө хачилсан штэ. Оюутан амьдрал ийм л байна зүү да. Өсч үнэхээр үнэтэй байдаг учраас. But I think I did pretty good job here. Let's go! Ixo! Back then, I used to study in Hamburg, and if you're wondering why everything looks so yellowish, I didn't use my normal iPhone camera, but used this special recording app with some filter. I just thought it would aesthetically look cool for some reason. Then we got to the airport, and if you're an international student living in Europe like me, you'll understand when I say that Ryanair is the top choice because of its cheap budgets. LOL. I know that this is a Milan Dome. Is it? We spent our first day exploring the central part of Milan, and it was stunning. The city had this luxurious vibe that practically screamed R-I-C-H. Rich! For lunch, we stopped at a fancy pizzeria. The food at the pizzeria was absolutely delicious. But the funny thing is, our waiter brought us a champagne, calling it a treat. Of course, we happily accepted it, only to find out later it was added to the bill. And as we were leaving, greeter at the door said "shishi" to us, which is thank you in Chinese, right? Honestly, I found it rather funny than offensive because he said it with such a confidence and a really big smile on his face. The genre painting section, or the scenery from folks' life, was my favorite one. I loved how back then artists conveyed hidden messages through the realistic depictions of everyday life from different timelines and its daily activities.
Perché
This is the rooftop. Let me show you what I'm seeing, guys. Like, I'm speechless. How can humankind could create this? Yo, I'm alive.
La 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 la.